Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. Iodinated and the gadolinium contrast medium. So first we need to know that in case of a positive contrast, it makes it appear white and negative makes it black. That is the basic. Now looking at the iodinated, the investigations are based on the X-ray findings. There is the dye studies which are seen. Dye studies, it includes the RGP, HSG, the ERCP, the HGU, as well as the IVP and the fluoroscopy. There is also the CECT which is seen, and these are all excreted by the presence of the kidney. And also you look for the serum creatinine should be seen. Next, moving on to the gadolinium. So, and in the gadolinium, it enhances the brightness of the T1 weighted MRI. T1 weighted MRI is seen. The gadolinium is a paramagnetic substance. Substance is seen, and it is nothing but a positive contrast. So, gadolinium, it enhances the bright of a T1 weighted MRI. The gadolinium, it is a magnetic substance. It is a positive contrast. It does not cross the BBB. So, no crossing the BBB. And the side effect of gadolinium is that there is a special mention, that is there is NSF. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.